Merry Christmas, friends! Welcome to Luna's Fun Adventure. Today, we're making super yummy, healthy Christmas shapes with fruits. I'm Luna the lamb, and these are my best friends. Green tree, tall, with lights that glow. Kiwi slices in neat little rows. Ring, 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 ding dong bell. Healthy shapes, yum, yum, yum. Star and tree and bell, Christmas fun. Good for you, tasty too. Merry Christmas, woo-hoo! Now let's make them together, step by step. First, the star. Take a banana, ask mom or dad to slice it. Arrange 5 pieces like this. Pointy star, twinkle, twinkle. Next, the tree. Cut kiwi into triangles. Stack big ones at the bottom. Remember to wash fruits first and always ask a grown-up to help with cutting. Healthy snacks make us strong and happy. Look at our beautiful Christmas plate. Let's eat one bite. Yum! Let's sing our song one more time and dance. Healthy shapes, yum, yum, yum. Star and tree and bell, Christmas fun. Healthy shapes, yum, yum, yum. We had so much fun today. Did you like our healthy Christmas shapes? Give this video a big like if you did. Hit subscribe and the bell. Bye-bye.